Hello freelancers, future software engineers and computer scientists. Today I'm going to show you my man cave. Let's get into it. Oops, this is my bedroom guys. I think it's that door. Aajay. So guys, first thing in my man cave is my desk setup, my workstation. This is where I sit. Here I have my trusted MacBook, never goes bad on me. Next to it is my iPad. iPad is used for time waste. इसके ऊपर मैं YouTube videos और Spotify देख रहा हूँ. उसके ऊपर अगर देखा जाए, I have my 60-inch Samsung LED TV. I put code on there because it makes me feel like a hacker. आगे आ जाए तो we have a few different things here.
ये कैसे?
ये है Sagrada Familia. This is a place in Barcelona, and next to it is Maldives. You know, both have one thing in common: beaches. I like my beaches and I love my bitches. Hey. Don't put that in there. अच्छा, आगे बात की जाए तो we have my YouTube setup. Recently, I've been doing videos and stuff like that for you guys. इसके अंदर मेरी मैं education content बना रहा हूँ, but you guys get to see some funny content very soon. Some cameras, some lenses, microphones. Next to it, I'm not just a Mac guy. I'm also a PC guy, and I have a gaming machine, editing machine, and you can do anything and everything on it. इसके ऊपर भी have some memorabilia. जिसके अंदर मेरा आ जाता है I love New York City, so I need to have Statue of Liberty. Some accolades. This is a Stanford Street Spark Award, and also I have a Canadian Government Award. Now, you know, I'm not always working. I do have some hobbies, and जब मैं पैसे कमाता हूँ, I spend it on this. These are 3D printers. You know, these are banned in Pakistan, but due to my business, I have some NOCs for these. And इनको अगर बात की जाए, these are Ender version 2. You can basically imagine anything and print it, but you need to design it first. वो हम करते हैं Tinkercad, AutoCAD के software से. So this is a very fun hobby. You get a design, you can build it. अच्छा, आगे बात की जाए, this is my other hobby. It's called Arduino Robotics. इसके अंदर क्या होता है कि I get to build funny electronics and all these different things using all these tools. इसके अंदर drills आ जाती हैं, Dremels आ जाती हैं, and so on. Another place I really love is Turkey, and I have a Hagia Sophia and Glada Tower. You know, Turkey, another party city. Next to it, यहाँ पे बैठ के मैं करता हूँ gaming and full-on gaming. लेकिन right now, sorry guys, मैं आपको अपना PS5 नहीं दिखा सकता. I gave it to my cousin for some time. आगे थोड़ा सा आ जाते हैं, something similar to being Oxford, an education city, and I have some family there. अच्छा, last but not least, we have my not full Lego collection, but a bit of Lego collection. You know, Lego is very dear to me. When we grew up in Canada, we used to play with Legos, and I used to compete on Legos and so on. But I'm still waiting for my Lego Bugatti, Lego Porsches, Lego bikes, and all that. Okay, so let's wrap it up. Here is my man cave. What do you guys think? I work here, you know, from my mornings till night. I'm pretty much here unless I have any events or have a TV show or something like that. And if you guys like it, you guys want to know something more about it, feel free to like, share, comment. And आप मेरे से पूछ भी सकते हैं comments पे, अगर आपको कोई link चाहिए कि कोई product कहाँ से आपने लिया या आप भी बाय करना चाहते हैं, don't be scared to message me. Alright guys, thank you very much.